Hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Push.
We've clubbed female together because there were very few, there's only 6 people. So third position, Grace Nangrai Klaj. Huge round of applause. Second position, Shibahun Khalat. And first position, Keri Safi, Mongbet. Huge round of applause once again. Second position, Tennyson Simblai. First position, Ivansius Klat. Okay. The under 14 male 9 to 14 years. 10 to 14 years. Third position, Ekansh Jindal. Huge round of applause. Second position, Ram Kumar Rai. And first position, Abriel W. Nongklau.
What we are seeing now is probably, I'm very sure, future cyclists, not just for the district but for the state as well. So youngsters from the East Khasi Hills, you know, since you all are here representing the district, they're from the other districts as well. Similar such events have been conducted. So this is a chance for the winners to, you know, down the following weeks we will be having a state level competition. Now for those who did not, you know, secure a podium, you know deep inside you have a very strong gut feeling that I could have done better. I know that I'll probably do better given a chance. But one thing is for sure, you need to keep practicing. All right. So the today's race was a little bit difficult for most of you. It's the first time, but for the state level, we'll be having a little bit a harder kind of a race. All right. We'll be having probably 1 or 2 additional obstacles, or maybe in terms of distance, we'll be having a little longer distance. All right. So keep on practicing. All right. You are the future cyclists of the not just the district, like I said, of the state. So once again, calling upon each and every one of you, give these youngsters a big round of applause. Thank you all. Congratulations and well done. Thank you.